Put a sponge inside your refrigerator, and the result will amaze you. Before I tell you why you should put a sponge inside your fridge, let me show you some very useful sponge tips. If you have a garment full of lint like this one, all you have to do is take a sponge and rub the green side on the clothes. That way, it will come off quite easily. If you don't like getting up on ladders or chairs, then with the help of a knife, we'll lightly cut this section. We'll then insert the stick through the hole we made earlier. Next, we're going to pour a small amount of liquid soap directly onto the sponge. We'll also add a little bit of water. As you can clearly see, the wall is quite dirty. So we'll first use the green abrasive side to thoroughly scrub away all the stubborn grime, and then we'll use the soft yellow side to gently wipe away any remaining dirt. Look how clean it has turned out. Before you even begin the washing process, place a sponge right on top. This will generate a strong attraction, acting just like a powerful magnet, preventing all the lint from sticking to your clothes. Now, with the help of a pair of sharp scissors, we cut a sponge right in half. Then, with a knife, we carefully make a small hole or an opening. After that, we take a little bit of scented soap and we cut off a small piece from it. Next, we gently insert this piece of soap right inside the sponge, making sure it's well placed. Once that step is completed, we pick up the knife again and proceed to open another small, precise hole. We'll install a special holder right here to attach it securely to the toilet. This way, every single time you flush, a small amount of soap essence will be released, ensuring your bathroom always has a clean and wonderfully fresh aroma. Now, take a brand new sponge and carefully place some salt directly on top of it. We spread it out very thoroughly across the entire sponge. Once this is done, we then place the sponge inside the refrigerator. Through this simple process, you will eliminate all the excess moisture from inside it, and this will make your food last for a much longer period of time.